Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Risen Legacy to create a fun Valentine's Day mani. Now the first color here, it's part of a new collection called Where Love Begins. It's a collection of 6 beautiful glitters. This one here is called Stuck on You, and it's a mixture of pinks and teal glitters in there, and I think it's super fun, and I really like how that teal and pink pop. And then we're going to pair it with Berry Me, which is the perfect berry color here. You can see here it's in between like purple and pink. It's super pretty, and it pairs perfectly with Vintage Rose. Vintage Rose is a must-have staple color. It is the perfect peachy pink nudie color, and it is also a solid, and here are all 3 colors together. So 2 solids, and then we're going to play with that beautiful glitter. And then for today's mani, we're going to be making a set of press-ons, and we're also going to be doing the gel method. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think the glitter is so fun, and you could do so much stuff with this glitter. It's perfect for all year long, and I really like how it's paired with vintage rose. It's just super pretty and elegant, and it's just overall a really fun mani. I really enjoyed hand placing those glitters and using the glitter in general. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-on sets, and I'll see you in the next upload.